Imagine witnessing the most powerful explosions ever observed in the universe, gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. These are not just ordinary cosmic events, they are the universe's ultimate fireworks, releasing unimaginable amounts of energy in the blink of an eye. These fleeting, energetic events can outshine entire galaxies for mere seconds or minutes. In that brief window, a single GRB can emit more light than billions of stars combined, making them visible across vast stretches of the cosmos. For a brief moment, a single point in the sky unleashes more energy than our sun will in its entire lifetime. The sheer scale of these explosions is almost impossible to comprehend, and yet, they happen far beyond our galaxy, in the distant reaches of space. Scientists study GRBs because they offer a window into the most extreme physics in the cosmos. By observing these bursts, researchers can test the limits of our understanding of matter, energy, and the very fabric of space-time itself. By capturing their light, we learn about the final moments of massive stars and the birth of black holes. Each GRB is like a cosmic message, telling us about the life and death of stars, and the violent processes that shape our universe. GRBs come in two main types: short bursts, lasting less than 2 seconds, which are believed to result from the dramatic collision of neutron stars, some of the densest objects in existence, and long bursts, which can last from a few seconds to several minutes, typically caused by the catastrophic collapse of massive stars at the end of their lives. This classification has shaped our understanding of cosmic explosions, helping astronomers piece together the life cycles of stars and the origins of some of the universe's most mysterious phenomena. But the universe is full of surprises, and sometimes an event comes along that doesn't fit the rules. These rare outliers challenge our theories and push us to look deeper. Such anomalies force us to redraw our cosmic maps and rethink what we know, reminding us that the universe is more complex and wondrous than we ever imagined. In 2025, one such extraordinary event would arrive, shattering previous records and opening a brand new chapter in our quest to understand the most powerful explosions the universe has ever seen. On July 2, 2025, NASA's Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope was quietly orbiting Earth, scanning the cosmos for the universe's most energetic phenomena. Suddenly, its instruments registered a dramatic spike, a sudden intense flood of gamma rays, the most powerful form of light in the universe. Within seconds, an automated alert was sent out to observatories and astronomers around the globe. A new gamma ray burst, designated GRB 250702b, had just been detected. The Fermi team sprang into action knowing that every second counted. At first the event seemed routine, another cosmic explosion among many, but as the minutes ticked by, something unusual happened. The signal didn't stop. Instead of fading away, the burst continued, growing even more intriguing. Most gamma-ray bursts are over in less than a minute, their energy spent in a brief, spectacular flash. But this one kept going, defying expectations and challenging what scientists thought they knew about these events. High-energy photons poured into Fermi's detectors for an astonishing length of time, creating data spikes unlike anything seen before. The telescope's instruments were pushed to their limits as the cosmic fireworks continued. Astronomers worldwide watched in amazement as the event unfolded in real time. Teams from every continent coordinated their efforts, eager to capture every possible detail of this rare phenomenon. The burst location was quickly pinpointed, triggering a global effort to observe it across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to X-rays and beyond. Every available telescope was turned toward the source. Capturing the afterglow became a race against time. This fading light holds crucial clues about the burst's origin, its distance, and the nature of the cataclysmic event that produced it. This burst was immediately recognized as extraordinary, not just for its immense power, but for its sheer endurance. It was unlike anything recorded in decades of gamma-ray astronomy. It continued emitting high-energy radiation for hours, defying all previous categories, and forcing scientists to rethink their theories about the most extreme explosions in the universe. GRB 250702b was a cosmic puzzle, demanding a worldwide scientific response and opening a new chapter in our understanding of the violent universe. What set GRB 250702b apart was its staggering duration, over 7 hours of relentless gamma-ray emission. This shattered all previous records and forced astronomers to rethink what a long burst means. Typical GRBs last seconds or minutes. This was a marathon, not a flash. The event suggested a sustained, powerful engine unlike anything seen before. The explosion's energy was funneled into a narrow jet, pointed almost directly at us, traveling at over 99% the speed of light. Such velocity is nearly impossible to comprehend. This jet carried the raw power of the explosion across billions of light years. GRB 250702b wasn't just longer, it was fundamentally different. Its extreme duration and focused jet make it a true cosmic outlier. The universe had delivered a mystery that challenged everything we thought we knew about stellar death. To understand this event, astronomers had to find its origin. Careful observation traced the burst to a faint galaxy 8 billion light-years away in the constellation Scutum. The light from this explosion began its journey before Earth even formed. This distance means the explosion was even more powerful than it appeared. The host galaxy is massive and shrouded in dust, making the burst nearly invisible to optical telescopes. Pinpointing the source was crucial for unraveling the mystery. Knowing the distance allowed astronomers to confirm its record-breaking energy. The dusty galaxy explained why the event was so hard to see, highlighting the need for multi-wavelength observations. Observing GRB 250702b was a major challenge. Its host galaxy's thick dust clouds blocked most visible light, hiding the afterglow from optical telescopes. Astronomers had to get creative, turning to infrared and X-ray telescopes that could see through the dust. Infrared light, with its longer wavelength, penetrates dust much more effectively. The race was on. Afterglows fade quickly, so rapid coordination was essential. Space-based observatories like Fermi and ground-based telescopes worked together to capture fleeting data. This event highlighted a key truth. The universe is often hidden from our eyes. Many cosmic events are shrouded in dust or emit light at energies we can't see. Only by using a range of telescopes can we uncover the universe's secrets. GRB 250702b was a perfect example of why multi-wavelength astronomy is vital. Understanding GRB 250702b required global collaboration. As soon as Fermi sent the alert, telescopes worldwide sprang into action. Ground-based giants like Gemini, the Very Large Telescope, and Keck focused on the burst's location, capturing its faint infrared afterglow. Space telescopes, including Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope, provided crucial data. JWST's infrared vision cut through the dust, revealing the host galaxy in unprecedented detail. Each observatory contributed a piece of the puzzle. Gamma-ray, infrared, and X-ray data combined to tell the full story. This coordinated effort was like a team of cosmic detectives, each with specialized tools. Such collaboration is the heart of modern science, making discoveries possible that no single observatory could achieve alone. GRB 250702b showcased the power of a united scientific community. For decades, astronomers have relied on a simple classification for gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. They're either short or long, each with a well-understood origin. Short bursts are thought to come from the collision of neutron stars, while long bursts are linked to the explosive deaths of massive stars. This framework has helped scientists make sense of countless cosmic explosions. But then came GRB 250702b, a burst that simply refuses to fit into either category, defying the rules that have guided astronomers for years. Its astonishing 7-hour duration is unlike anything seen before, far longer than what the collapse of a massive star should allow, and much too drawn out for a typical neutron-star merger. According to all standard models, there's simply no known mechanism that could power a jet of energy for such an extended period. The physics just doesn't add up. Even more puzzling, the burst's afterglow is faint, barely a whisper in the vastness of space, despite the immense energy released in the initial explosion. This contradiction only deepens the mystery. And then there's its host galaxy, a massive, mature system that isn't forming new stars. This is not the kind of place where astronomers expect to find long GRBs, which usually occur in young, star-forming galaxies. GRB 250702b is a true cosmic paradox, showing the energy of a stellar death, but unfolding over a time scale that hints at something entirely different, something we don't yet understand. It stands alone, breaking all the rules and challenging everything we thought we knew about gamma-ray bursts. For astronomers, such anomalies are thrilling. They reveal the gaps in our knowledge and push us to ask new questions about the universe. This extraordinary burst acts as a signpost, pointing toward new physics and possibilities that may lie just beyond our current understanding. When the universe breaks its own rules, it's a signal for science to dig deeper, to rethink what's possible, and to keep searching for answers in the cosmic unknown. With standard models failing, scientists propose bold new theories to explain GRB 250702b. One idea: an unusually massive, rapidly spinning star with a vast fuel reservoir, stretching the collapsar model to its limits. Another theory: a black hole merging with a giant helium star, triggering a prolonged explosion from deep within. This scenario could sustain a jet for hours, matching the burst's duration. Some even consider tidal disruption events, where a star is torn apart by a black hole, though these rarely produce focused jets. Each theory pushes the boundaries of astrophysics, searching for a mechanism to power such a long-lived burst. The truth remains elusive, waiting for more data and better models. GRB 250702b challenges us to imagine new cosmic engines. GRB 250702b is more than a record. It's a milestone that will shape the future of astrophysics. It sets a new benchmark for cosmic explosions and expands our understanding of how the universe creates and distributes elements. Studying such events helps us trace our own cosmic origins. This discovery will drive innovation, inspiring new telescopes and faster, more sensitive instruments. Each breakthrough in astronomy leads to new ways of seeing the universe. GRB 250702b reminds us that the cosmos is stranger and more magnificent than we can imagine. There's always more to learn, and every discovery reveals new mysteries. This 7-hour burst is a challenge and an invitation to keep exploring the infinite universe.